Alright everybody, hello, this is Mr. Creeper 206. As I said, I would be releasing this in 2 parts. I just had to check that my previous video was working. So showing you what I have here. I have a guide, which is, he's just wandering off somewhere, like rabbits. Stupid rabbit. I also have this awesome Humphrey. Is the name of Humphrey? Yeah. Oh, I want to go overseas then. So, yeah, I'm just going to do a bit of terraria recording. So, my goal for this episode, the one thing I want to do is I kind of want to do this Coco Smackdown style, where we actually have goals for the episodes. So, you guys can post those for me. But for this one, I'm just going to do a bit of mining. That's what terraria is all about. Except not really. It's about adventure. Only I had a jetpack and or bat wings, and my life would be complete. Because those are like the best things ever. Now, which way should I be going? I should probably be going... Okay, sorry. I just realized I just went down into a dangerous mine with 5 golden coins. God, I'm scattered today. Okay, so... I already got a bit of gold, not too much of it. I got a nice boomerang of infinite ownage, which I can just throw up things. Just telling you what I have, so you guys didn't miss much. It's taking ages. I swear, like, until I get like something that allows me to fly, 90% of these videos is gonna be like me hopping up and down that massive staircase. It's not a staircase. Hiccups. It's not a staircase, is it, I guess? Gold. Silver. God dang it. I remember those hiccups that you really can't stop and just really annoying. Okay, sorry, I just held my breath for 10 seconds. That gets rid of my hiccups, I don't know why. Just... Or not. Oh, that's just terrible. Okay, I think they went away. Or not. Come on! Be reasonable. Hiccups are the worst. This is what I'm gonna title this episode. Hold on, I'm gonna see you guys in a second. I gotta go get a glass of water. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. I'm not gonna say they're gone because that's gonna jinx me and they're just gonna... Ooh, is that Pinky? Pinky! Do you see that knockback? Oh god, Pinky! It's Pinky! Come to me, Pinky! So Pinky's extra rare if you guys are new to this game. Just like a regular old slime, except he does a lot more damage and he's like really rare and stuff. I don't know what he drops though, however. Am I gonna, if I'm still stuck in him for like 4 more, yeah, there we go. Oh, he gives you 7 silver coins. It's pretty good for a slime, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah. I got rid of my hiccups now. Oh, I said it. No, oh, I hiccup again. Alright, so I'm gonna be heading down to the deepest part of my mine. So, do a bit of swimming. 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 Swimming, swimming, swimming. I'm just gonna do a little hop. You know, I really need a stupid miner's helmet. That's what I'm saving up for. Gosh, do I need that? Ooh, silver. Next episode, I plan to do a bit of home decorating because I have found a heart. I have found explosives, so I might add 3 rooms just so I have some spare space. Oh, it's like an outpost over there. Oh, tip from me for terraria. If it comes from me about terraria, it's probably not gonna be that good. But tip from me is that when you find any of those like bookshelf places, don't just get the stuff and ditch them. Use them as an outpost underground. It's really helpful. Thinking I might make some copper armor if you can make copper armor. I have not played this game in ages. Forgot to give myself a beard in this game. I might make a new character and stash all my stuff in a chest so I can solve the world and crap. I don't make myself a beard in case you're wondering. Yeah, copper ore. Drop. Don't like you. What are you things? You're black slimes. Alright. Me too. Okay, yeah, red slime. Yeah, I don't like you either. Come on. Come at me. Come at me, bro. Oh, stealth attack. A big cactus. Ooh. Actually, I already raided this chest. I'm just gonna take all of this instead. 8 damage. Godly. This is actually really rare. How did I get this? This is a godly one. Nice. Take some iron ore. Iron ore. Doop-de-doop. Either I need to buy like a lot of, or either that I need to get the mining helmet, or that's funny because I'm mining ore. Lame pun of the day. What was I gonna say? Oh yes. So it's either I get all that ore and stuff, or I get the mining helmet. It's either I get a lot of glow sticks or the mining helmet because I really need those, like water and stuff. Got the grappling hook as well, in case you're wondering. So I'm just gonna like, oh, I didn't get close enough for it to be cool. Come on. I want to barely dodge you. Okay, he's not gonna come up here, isn't he? You know why? Because he sucks. Okay, he's not one of us. Because we're awesome. By us, I mean I'm talking about you and like the subscribers and stuff. Which I don't have at the moment. Die! Die, you evil skeleton fiend thing. Whateverness. Alright, hold on. Honestly, what I do every episode is test my video is recording. Plus, I need to watch the time a lot of my video, because I can only finish up to 15 minutes, which I think is really lame, but that's rules are rules. I can only finish up to 15 minutes. So I need to kind of watch my time on these videos. I wonder what's up there. Hold on. Oh my god, it's another slime. Another slime. Mother slime. Ow. Ah. I must be pretty deep down to be able to get these things. Alright. Die. Burn. Rot. I don't like you. Oh no, it's like your little babies are flopping everywhere. Go away. Go. It's squishing and squashing because they're like slimes. And slimes squish and squash. Everyone knows that. There's like a bat party. There was like a bat party 5 seconds ago over there. Alright. Here we go. The best item for exploring caves is the grappling hook. I recommend getting it the second you can. Oh, cash, not now. Yes. I appear to have fallen in water. That's because I have fallen in water. I'm gonna do a bit of skill jumping. Whoa, whoa. No, Mr. Bat, no. Killing people is not the answer. Especially when they kill them in the brutal way that they say they do in the chat bar when you die. God. Terrible. Okay, how about not? Now my friend keeps calling me. Such a pain. I wonder what would happen if I broke all of this. Haha. I'm an evil fiend. How about this? How about I just go offline? Online status. Offline. Haha. Eat that. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hoping I can find a chest or something up here. Or something. Nice. Got some of this jewel crap. It's a bit of gold I see there as well. It's craning my neck to look at it, and everything is so flipping dark. Alright, there I go. There's a bit of gold. Nice. It's a good find. I think it was worth coming all the way up here. Mining gold with gold. Is that a, well, you couldn't make a golden pickaxe. Like, even in Minecraft, when it breaks really fast, it's really unreasonable, because a golden pickaxe would break the second you use it. I'm not talking like saying they have to be realistic. I'm fine with Minecraft and Terraria being the way they are. It's kind of funny. Oh, how do I take so much damage from that? Here we go. Woot, woot. Am I stuck in a block now? Yeah. Alright, I was stuck in a block. I didn't even know that was possible. Blockception. Let me just throw this around a bit, see if I can find anything. Use my magic crystals. See if I can clear out some of this water. A bit. I told you about the time, me and my buddy Nick. Alright, so I think I'm going to end this video here, because I am almost out of time. Yeah, I'm almost out of time. So I will see you all later. This has been Mr. Creeper 206, and I thank you for watching my videos.